Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Kaden, this is Stephanie, and this is Real Talk Real Estate. Fidget spinner.
Did you bring it?
No. It's my brother's. I didn't want to steal it from him.
Your brother.
19 years old and he might cry. I don't know.
He needs it. I got attacked by a fidget spinner in high school.
How do you get attacked by...
I did like the shop class and like the air pressure things.
Yeah.
So one of my friends had a fidget spinner and he was
no way.
let's see how fast I can spin it with this air compressor. So he did it and it broke. It snapped off, hit a window, broke a window, and then bounced back and hit me. I didn't scar, thank God.
Wow.
Oh, I was so pissed.
I can see your hatred with them now.
I'm traumatized. Today we are breaking down the Red Deer market for October of 2025.
And spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert.
The fall market did not cool off as much as you'd expect. So let's get into it.
Starting with new listings, in October of 2025, we had 197 new listings hit the market. Last year we were at 153.
Yeah, so that's a 28% increase year over year, which is a huge jump for October. This is usually when the market starts to ease off a little bit. And here's the interesting part. Even with more inventory, it hasn't shifted the market into a slower pace just yet. Buyers have a little bit more choice, yes, but not enough to create any real pressure on pricing.
Especially in that 350 to 500,000 range, homes in that pocket are still moving quickly despite being fall.
Now for sales, this is where things stayed surprisingly strong. This year we had 164 sales in October compared to last year where we saw 134.
That is a 22% increase year over year, which is not something you normally see heading into winter.
Now, a lot of that is tied to buyer confidence, and a big reason for that confidence is now interest rate stability.
Exactly. So interest rates have leveled out this year. No dramatic swings. That stability keeps buyers active. It takes off the edge and lets people plan without worrying about sudden rate jumps. Now the biggest story of the month, prices. The average sale price in October of 2025 hit $434,704. In 2024, it was $365,528.
That's a 19% increase year over year. And October marked the highest monthly average price all year. The next highest was in March at $420,000.
That's pushed by strong demand, limited quality inventory, and more sales happening in mid-range and upper price range brackets.
And again, those steady interest rates, they're playing a role here as well. When borrowing costs aren't jumping all over the place, buyers are more comfortable stretching into those nicer homes or moving up the ladder a little bit.
It's not a prices are exploding overnight situation, but the trend is definitely upward. And this month really highlighted that.
And homes did take a little bit longer to sell this month. 41 days in 2025 versus 37 days last year.
But here's the thing, that's totally normal for October. This is the part of the year where days on market usually climb up a little bit.
And what's interesting is that even though homes took a longer bit to sell, prices still hit a yearly high. That tells us the market is still balanced and healthy.
Buyers just had slightly more breathing room than earlier in the year, but well-priced homes are still moving, which is good. Now let's tie in what's actually happening in the city because this all fits into the bigger picture. Local development is still moving forward. Capstone has momentum. Timberlands North is seeing continued growth. Evergreen is expanding, and we're seeing long-term planning happening across multiple neighborhoods.
And builders don't invest unless the city is growing. These projects bring more confidence to the market, and long-term, they support stable pricing and strong buyer demand.
And for from a seasonal standpoint, October is normally where things slow down hard, but this year, the slowdown was way softer than usual.
Exactly. Inventory up, sales up, prices up. Days on market are stable and seasonal. This isn't a soft fall, it's a steady one.
For buyers, more listings means more choices, but rising prices could mean waiting could cost you.
And for sellers, demand, it's still active. You're not too late in the year, actually, and well-marketed listings are still getting strong buyer activity.
Okay, well, that is your October 2025 market update.
And if you're thinking about buying or selling, reach out at any time. We'd be happy to chat further with you guys.
Absolutely. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that post notification so you know when we post next.
You don't want to miss that.
Once a week.
Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
See you in the next one.